In a broken world where hunger spoke louder than words, two siblings clung to each other for hope. The brother held a single piece of bread, his sister crying softly beside him. Without hesitation, he tore it into pieces and fed her, his heart finding joy in her smile. The world had no room for them, but in her innocent eyes, he was her hero. His sacrifice went unnoticed, but her happiness made it all worth it. In the darkest moments, his love for her was the only light that kept them going. That day, the brother taught a timeless lesson. True love is not in abundance, but in selfless giving.